your girl Lay back with another video. Today y'all get to come with me clean and organize the house. We recently moved. I started but I didn't finish, and currently it's an organized mess. So this week I just dropped the girls off. I'm currently waiting at Target for my pickup order. Hopefully they hurry up, but yeah, y'all come along for the ride today. So I just made it back home. I think I'm gonna start here in my room and kind of work my way downstairs. That Louisiana heat ain't no joke. I'm all discombobulated where I'm at. And then on top of that, my brother out of town. I need to do something to my head. Look at this. It's a mess. I need to go wash and condition. But yeah. Yo, let's get this party started. finished my room, I had to wind up taking a shower because I decided I wanted to do like our grandparents. Raise up all the windows, forgetting that it's like 105 degrees outside. Yeah, I know, it was a sweaty mess. But I did get my room done. I think I'm gonna turn this possibly into a series because I still have to get the girls' room organized and my downstairs area. So y'all don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.